one time and a couple hens. Right off the roost, they flew down and just went off the other way. I'm gonna sit tight and see if I can't catch them cruising back through here. You're watching A1 Archery on 365. No off season. Just like I had hoped for, that big Tom just came back in. He busted me drawing. I had him a little low facing behind me and broke his back. It worked out just perfect. And like I said, flew down off the roost. They worked around me at 60 yards. I just sat here patient, called every once in a while. Next thing I know, he gobbled and he couldn't have been more than 60 yards away. So I did a couple nice soft calls and came right into the decoy. 6:45. I'm gonna go claim my trophy and make it into the shop on time. You're watching A1 Archery, hunting 365. No off season.
Minnesota gobbler sitting out here this morning, snuck in real close to the roost. They flew down. This big guy skirted me, went out at about 70 yards. Sat tight. I knew if I waited long enough he'd be back through here. Gotta love turkey hunting. He's got just a really beautiful bird. It's A1 Archery, hunting 365, no off season.